Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your exams. Make sure that for the exams, 3 semester exam one and one final exam, we are using Honorlock Proctoring service. So this is the screen you can see when you log in your Blackboard account and go to the course. And you can see here is the link, the tab Honorlock exam. So you have to just click that tab and you can see that there is a exam 1 link, exam 2, 3, and then final exam. So if you just click this exam 1 without doing anything, you can see the link for exam 1 here. If you click it, it will ask for the password. So without Honorlock, you will not be able to find out this password, so you will not be able to take the exam. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use the Honorlock. So first of all, here is the first link. Test can only be taken using this link. So first of all, you have to verify your identity and your system technology, whatever they need to proctor your exam. So for that, you have to click this link. You go to the Honorlock exams and the first link you are going to click. And after that, you can see that there is a link for exam 1. So you have to just click or launch this exam. And now the Honorlock homepage will pop up. And then you just have to launch proctoring. If you do that, I already have Google Chrome extension, in my computer here, so I don't have to download that extension. But if you are using this first time and if you don't have Google Chrome extension, then this Honorlock will ask you to download the Google Chrome extension as well. So now this screen will pop up. It's for your picture. So just click that, take photo here. And then after that, it will use camera of your laptop or your computer. And then your camera will be on. And now this is me. So you just have to, center your face inside this, face area and take picture. Okay, so now Honorlock has verified my picture. And now I need to show, or you need to show your ID. So your ID could be your, student ID or your driver license. Like right now, I'm using this driver license. You have to have the valid license to take the test. So just, okay. So now it's done. My, ID has verified. Now, the third process is now Honorlock will scan your room area. And now for that, I'm not going to show you everything here because it's not, the room I would like to show you at this point, but just click this begin room scan thing. And after 3, 2, 1, just, move your camera, scan your room, scan your table. And whenever you are done, just click this I'm done thing. But make sure that you have to scan it 360 degree, okay? Because eventually we're going to check it. So just do it, I'm done. And if you are happy with this scanning thing, if you think that it's something that would be acceptable, so you have to make sure that you have to show your whole, room a 360 degree angle, meaning you have to show your table, you have to show your, other corner of the room, everything. And just if you're happy, just submit it. After that, you can see this third screen, and there is a launch screen recording. So what the Honorlock doing here is it's recording your screen, whatever exam you are taking here on the screen. So after clicking that, just share this link. So that means now Honorlock is proctoring your exam. So now after that, you see that insert password thing. Now after this, don't click this insert password. First, go to your the exam link back to your Blackboard course. The first the first time I showed you the just go back to your uh, Blackboard and just go to the Honorlock exams one more time, and there is exam one. Just click this exam one, or whatever exam you're taking, just click that exam link, and now click the exam you would like to take. For example, right now I'm trying to take exam one. It might be exam 2, exam 3, or final exam. Whatever exam you're taking, just click the link for that exam. And now they're asking for the password. Now because Honorlock has verified you, so just come back here, this is screen, and there is insert password thing. Just click that. Now Honorlock will automatically provide you the password. So now you are ready to go. Just submit it, and then you can see that for the exam one, this is the first exam you are taking with Honorlock. So I'm giving you a little bit extra time, 75 minutes, but make sure that your actual time will be 60 minutes from next exam. Here I'm just providing you 15 extra minutes. So whenever you are ready to start the test, and don't forget that your room, your screen is Honorlock is proctoring your room and then your screen. So whenever you are ready, just start your test. And as you can see, I'm not going to show you the questions here, but there will be 10 questions, and they are from chapter 1 and chapter 2 for the exam 1. And similarly for exam 2, exam 3, there will be other chapter. So just see there are 10 questions, and just take these problems, and whenever you are done, just submit the test. So just submit the test. Okay, so now you can see that you're done. So your exam is done. So if you go back to the Honorlock thing, you can say that, okay, I'm done with the exam. Okay, so yeah, so this is the way you can take the test using the Honorlock. Now you can see, yes, that's it, we're done. After that, just stop sharing, and your Honorlock exam. Okay, yeah, just after finishing exam, just submit the exam, and it should work. Yeah, I just submit the exam without taking it, so it's the Honorlock is assuming that I did not take the test, but actually I did. Just submit the test and you'll be fine. Okay, and then after that, you can see that proctoring session submitted. You can now close this page, and you can also uninstall Honorlock. Honorlock extension removed successfully, and after that, you should see this screen, exam submitted, and then it's done 100%. Okay, so that's how you take the exams, any exam, exam 1, 2, 3, or final. And if you have any question about this, if you would like to talk to me, then just feel free to email me. Okay.